Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna discuss about how to check the Canberra invitation rounds. Um, but before we get started, if you find this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button to show your support and consider subscribing to our channel for more updates. Alright, let's jump into it. So here you can see I have search with invitation rounds Canberra. You can search with some other keywords like ACT invitation rounds. Hit this one. So here you can see the basic information of the Canberra matrix invitation round. I think this for the new update it mentioned like when the next invitation rounds gonna happen. It's 20 November 2023. So here we have the basic information. For every occupation has a occupation cap, and they are gonna and the invitations who got the higher points for the specific occupation, and even sometimes like if the occupation is in demand, so they may validate with the Canberra matrix submission date with and the time as well. So I will mention this link in the description below so you can check every month for the upcoming invitation rounds. So if you come down, let's click on download a copy of the matrix invitation ranking. So here you can see Canberra matrix invitation ranking. You can download PDF or Word documents. Let's hit this one. So here is the invitation rounds. So the latest invitation round that happened on 12th October 2023. So even the previous invitation rounds will be in the same document. If you come down, yeah, here it is. It's the previous invitation rounds. It's happened on 15th of September. So you can check all the previous invitation rounds. So if you come here, this is the unit group number and unit group title. Uh, it's just a group, but under this, it had like some occupations. So each occupation had the specific number which comes on skill assessment. So here the Canberra resident and overseas applicants, the Canberra residents who are staying in Canberra, planning to apply a 491 or 190, so they can check the invitation round points in these first two columns, and then in the overseas applicants who are trying to process their applications for 490 or 190 from the other countries, they have to check this overseas applicant columns. So for this group, advertising and public relations and sales managers, they got the 491 invitations for 65 points. For 190, they haven't got any invitations, but 491 overseas applicant got the invitations for 90 points. So in the same way, here you can see the date as we discussed this before. Yeah, for example, here they have given the date. That means in the particular month there might be more people who has applied the Canberra matrix with the same points on same occupation with the same occupation. So to filter out the people, so they were looking for the date of Canberra matrix submission. If still they want to filter out, they will go with the time as well. This is how it works. Let's see the my occupation. So I have searched with software and application programmer. My occupation is developer programmer. That comes under this section. So We got nine invitations, 491 invitations for 95 points, and even the overseas applicants got for same 95 points the 491. For 190, they have no one got the invitations. So if you want the occupations which comes under this group, those occupations will be on skill critical list. In the next video, I'm gonna make how to check the Canberra skill critical list. Yeah, this is how the invitation round works. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment below.